And then I was like, oh, should I sign up? And then I just, okay, let's go for it. So it was worth the shot. I was really excited to learn like all the new ways of creating art, like even using like robots to create art. It's a very interesting process. Like I want to look forward into it and yeah, go into it, learn more about it.
We have a functioning robot, but it doesn't look very nice, or maybe the design isn't very streamlined or something, then having all three aspects work together would be great.
I find that with the technology can complement art, and art in a way also can complement technology. So when they come together, they really create really amazing results that no one can think of.
I think it's very interesting as it's really rare to have all three in unison, but here we've interconnected the three aspects and we were able to create very beautiful objects.
I think that in Singapore, right, artwork doesn't only serve the purpose of actually like creating an experience, but it also needs to be functional also, especially in Singapore where space is like very limited. So the art, the technology and also the building, yeah, I think it's like very interconnected.
I get to do many different things. I can touch on a bit of art. I get to do a painting, then I also get to do some design here and there. And I also meet people that are really amazing. They can paint, they can do design very well. And I also meet people who can code very well. So I get to learn from them a bit here and there. And then, yeah, it really makes my life more interesting.
Once we actually try out and then make mistakes and learn from it, then it's become like a very memorable experience for me. I learned a lot of new things about, combining art with technology.
Meeting everyone that I've become closer with and friends with. It started from being quiet strangers, but then with playing foosball after lunch and just coming up with the wildest ideas for robots, we became very close, and I think it's something that I could only experience once here.
I think this workshop really not only let me meet new people from different courses and with different skills, but we also managed to work together over the course of this event and we got to try out new stuff.
For me, who actually don't have any background on coding, on programming, luckily we have a mentor, and also our group mates are actually very supportive of each other also. So we actually push each other to reach to our limit and actually managed to create this robots, the turtle.
The students had many ideas. They were very creative, and they would always ask me if it's possible to do this with the robot, is it possible to do that? And I think that has translated well in the robot, and I feel very satisfied that their ideas have really come to reality.
Giving them the freedom to explore what they're interested in, and while not pressuring them to make a decision at this point in time in their lives, so that they are able to make an informed decision later on.